okay, 876. As usual, the intro's not different. I keep thinking to myself, oh, I'm going to say something different today. I don't. Is what it is. Well, can't fill it with a cover on it, ding-a-ling. I have before. One time, I accidentally threw the commander with it. And it stuck in the wall, believe it or not. Didn't break my case either. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Chopper. Yeah. Thought I'd go with the old green and black today. I love these shorts. Yesterday was back day, and I've come to learn that back day apparently really messes with throwing. That sounds very strange. Apparently, I use a lot more of my lats than I think I do. I don't know. There we go. That's a little better. See, my elbow's still a little busted. It's getting better, just not fast enough. Well, today's Thanksgiving, will be. Today's Thursday. I fear 2020 killed any and all my interest in related events. Cancel that shit out of fear. Well, I got no time for you anymore. Pathetic. So yeah, today's normal Thursday for me. Yeah, I do basically the same thing every day, and I do eat the same food every day, so this is just a normal day for me. And I'm not even kidding about that either. I eat the same food every day. Now, I'd tell you more about it, I just don't want to. This really sucks. I cannot hit the broadside of a barn today. I just seem to be missing some part of my brain that makes this work. We get some glimpses of it here and there, but I just feel like I'm missing some crucial component to this today. This just sucks. This is just not fun. And for some reason, it's making me super mad. I don't actually know why, really. There is a rage building inside me that is very tangible. Seems different than usual, though. Don't know, don't understand, don't get it, don't like it. This is just making me angry. It's just strange. This feels like a different angry than usual. I don't know how stupid that sounds, I'm sure. Something feels off about the release of this or something. Not the pullback really, but just the last second of the release just felt very odd. Yeah. I don't know, I can't really describe it. You can't talk to me, so it doesn't really change anything, does it? I gotta figure it out. I mean, yeah, you can type on make a comment, but you're not here. And I don't mean any particular person, I just mean the audience in general. The audience. Ah! That's funny. Nobody watches these videos. And that's fine. As I've said several times, I don't mind at all. Thanks for watching if you do. Appreciate it. This is extraordinarily boring. I'm not looking to ever monetize my shit, so who cares? And I fear I'm too foul-mouthed for most sponsors and such. Man, stop throwing it to the right. Why does that keep happening? I need a back view of this more than a side view like I ever watch any of this shit anyway. I don't. Damn it. Still a 5, I'll take it. I don't know, something's off. He might My brain is broke. Man, I can't concentrate. I think that's the problem. This is not usually a common occurrence. I just cannot get my shit together here. That is a common occurrence. Just not in this way. Damn it. Shit. Fine. Dude, motherfucker, you better stop. You are playing a fucking game, but I'll beat the shit out of you. I know that in trying times like this, when that's maybe messing with me, I don't know. I need to keep it on and work through it. I can't. I choose not to. Perhaps I can. I don't want to. And taking that out did not help. This is just frustrating, man. Damn it! I feel like I just am running fast here. I just can't slow it down. Shit, they put enough tea, could it? I know I don't eat a lot of sugar. Can't be that sensitive to it. No, I don't believe that. Thumb bother again. Son of a bitch. Yeah, man, I don't know what is going on today. I'd rather it not happen again, though. This is very frustrating. I can't describe it very well. It's just shit. I just can't slow my brain down or something. I don't even know if that's the problem. I just don't feel very right at the moment. God, it makes me sound like a maniac again. It's not like that. You ever just have a bunch of conflicting emotions or something, or feelings, I guess? I am very tired for some reason. I also want to run a marathon. I feel like if I lay down at the moment and close my eyes, I fall asleep in 2 minutes. And yet, I want to go run down the street for some reason as well. This is troubling, boys. I don't care for it. I don't like it at all. Feel gross. My brain feels gross. I need to take a shower too. I took one 2 days ago. I can't get this motion down right either. Something is just not clicking today. Excuse me. I don't get it. I'm gonna eat something here in a few minutes. That help. just kind of left at an angle. My kill shot accuracy is pretty high today. Bullseye's pretty low. Thumb spasming thing is kind of alarming me slightly. It's not too bad, just here and there wants to go at it. I'll slap myself in the chin with this thing at some point. I don't know if y'all saw that, but that was a close call there. I hate this thing sticking so hard like that with that hook. Makes it very hard to get it out of there without fighting with it. How did I know? Probably because your eyeballs know you stupid ass. This is just one of those days, things are not exactly working quite right, and that's okay. I'm not going to stress about it too awful much, hopefully. Famous last words, as they say. Bro, you gotta quit doing that. I mean, my eyeballs are tracking right here too. I'm not even looking at this stupid thing properly. Make sure this thing's still straight. More or less. I think my left side's a little bit off again. I think it's kicked its way forward slightly. Not so much that I'm going to worry about it right at this moment. I need to, as I turn Irish, I need to check that thing with the measuring tape. Tell you what else I gotta do. Go to the freaking CR. This video is about to end impromptu because the man must use the comfort room. Fuck. These overthrows are absolutely dissatisfying me. This knot, I swear to God, son of a bitch. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, dude. Calm. I'm stressing out a little bit, boys. We're quitting there. That was barely a 6. That didn't feel good, didn't feel right. Gotta go to the bathroom. Lots of stuff going on here. Don't like any of it. Okay, well, today was a day. We'll do it again tomorrow, hopefully better.